institution has witnessed a lot changes in past 6 years. MashaAllah, it is because of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessing and effort, hard work and perseverance of our teachers, students, parents and above all our managing directors. Without them, nothing would have been possible. So, here I call upon our head boy for a welcome speech.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. A very good and warm evening to our honorable chief guest, honorable managing director, respected principal ma'am, dignified teachers, all the treasured invitees, parents and my dear friends. On the behalf of our school, I, Sheikh Adnan Riaz, head boy of MS Creative School, Bhiwandi branch, extends a very sincere welcome to all of you. Today is a very special day for all of us, and I would like to use this opportunity to congratulate everyone here for successfully completing 6 whole years. MashaAllah. No doubt, our school is expanding year by year, and I heartily congratulate every member who has contributed to the success of this program and our wholesome institution. This year, we will be focusing on how we human beings treat our mother nature. The earth was created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as an abode to all human beings. Only a being as divine and eternal as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can create something so beautiful and majestic as our planet Earth. And we human beings depend upon the Earth's nature for survival and development. But we should always remember that even if we use them, it is not our property. Even our prophets used to believe that man is allowed to use everything created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but he can never own them. We cannot just make waste of it. We must save it for the next generation. Thus, the theme of this Akhlaaq show is Akhlaaq towards nature. Before everything begins, I would like to remind you that good intentions die without execution. The best gift that you can give to your child is a pollution-free planet, roots of responsibility, and wings of freedom. And now, the moment you all have been waiting for. Everybody, get ready to experience the unimaginable Akhlaaq show. Akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.